the F did the prices go up in the Nexus? I know, so I'm going to explain it to you. These were $89.99, no tax. That's what they were at for the last little while, and if you've noticed, they've changed. They went to $10,000 plus tax. That's not us. That is the supplier. That's from Matrix. Now, if you notice, on Matrix website, they have these listed at $10,699 plus logistics plus PDI. Okay. Not only are we the biggest dealer in Canada of these, we're also the cheapest because we're not going by that price. We're going to keep it to the $9,999 plus $499 assembly. So we're saving you $1,000 by buying from Ride the Wind. Clearly you can see from all the videos and all the inventory we have, these are all sold by the way, that we strive to be the best. But so the answer to get back to, just had to plug the best thing in there. To get back to why do the prices change? Lots of things. The manufacturer's being charged, the supplier's being charged HST, therefore they have to charge the dealer HST, customer has to pay HST. It's bullshit. I hate it, but it is what it is. And the shipping for these from China, the container prices have gone up. And by a lot. And as if you know, like those fluctuate. So perhaps Matrix will take off the logistics charge, but they are trying to cover their increased shipping costs. Only 9 of these fit in a 40-foot container, so it's not a lot. All right, well, that's the end of the video because Dash is barky.